Hello everyone, I'm Tan from OrangeTee AAG. If you are looking for a unit in the heartland with many amenities and yet able to enjoy nature and scenery, I'm sure this is a home you will not want to miss out. Now let's take a look at a new home today. This is a 4-room HDB at 84 square meter. You can see the entire space is squarish with functional layout. Walking into the unit, you have an open concept kitchen, giving you visibility and space to the living area, especially if you have kids to look after. Having an open concept kitchen allows more light into the unit as well. You can choose to build a glass panel or foldable door to have an enclosed kitchen. Facing wise, you will be happy to know that this is a north-south facing unit, which tends to be windier and no hot afternoon sun for you to bear. So what about the bedroom? Let's check it out now. They are all good size where you can have a study area with ample walking space. How cool is that? Just behind us, for those who love the nature and a stroll in the park, we have little Guilin for your morning and evening walks. The best part, your new home will only be 5 minutes walk away from Bukit Batok MRT station. Once again, thank you for your time. I'm Tan and I'm looking forward to your call at 9770-4466. See you!